Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder looking to maximize your points for travel, transferring them to Southwest Rapid Rewards is a fantastic option. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can start booking those flights hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you want to do this? Chase Sapphire points are incredibly flexible, and transferring them to Southwest lets you redeem for flights, upgrades, or even companion passes. But before we get started, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an active Chase Sapphire account with points to transfer, and a Southwest Rapid Rewards account. If you don't have a Southwest account yet, head over to their website and sign up. It's quick and free. Alright, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Chase account online at chase.com. Once you're in, navigate to the Ultimate Rewards section, which is where all your points magic happens. Look for the Travel or Transfer Points option. It's usually right there on the dashboard. Step 2. In the Ultimate Rewards portal, you'll see a list of transfer partners. Scroll or search for Southwest Rapid Rewards. Chase has partnerships with lots of airlines, so it's easy to find. Once you select Southwest, you'll see the transfer ratio. Typically, it's 1-to-1 for Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve cards, meaning 1 point equals 1 Rapid Rewards point. Step 3. Enter the amount of points you want to transfer. Double-check this because transfers are usually final. Then, confirm the transfer by following the on-screen prompts. It might ask you to link your Southwest account if it isn't already connected. Just enter your Rapid Rewards number. And just like that, you're done. Transfers are often instant, so you can hop over to the Southwest website and start searching for flights right away. Keep in mind, there might be blackout dates or limited availability, so plan ahead. One quick tip. Always check the value of your points before transferring to ensure it's the best deal. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on points, miles, and travel hacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Safe travels.